last problem. Solve the equation x minus 1 whole power n is equal to x power n is a positive integer. So one equation is given. We want to find the solution to this equation. So first we are taking the given equation here. Given equation is x minus 1 whole power n is equals to x power n. That is x minus 1 by x whole power n is equals to 1. Just we are dividing this total equation by the number x power n, which implies x minus 1 by x power n whole power 1 by n is equals to 1 power 1 by n. That is applying the power 1 by n to this equation. That is x minus 1 by x is equals to 1 power 1 by n. Now in place of 1 we take the value cis 0. Cis 0 is nothing but cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 value 1 plus sin 0 value 0. So cos 0 plus I sin 0 is nothing but 1. So in place of 1 we take the value cis 0. Cis 0 power 1 by n. Therefore x minus 1 by x is equals to cis 0 power 1 by n. Now we take all values to this expression. So all values of this value is, all values formula, cis theta power 1 by n is equals to cis of 2k pi plus theta by n, where k is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1. This is the formula for finding the all values of cis theta power 1 by n. Now by applying that formula here, which implies x minus 1 by x is equals to cis, the formula is 2k pi plus theta, that is 2k pi plus 0. Here in place of theta we have 0 whole by n, where k is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1. Here we have the 10n, so we take the values up to n minus 1, which implies x minus 1 by x is equals to cis 2k pi by n. That is x minus 1 is equals to x into cis 2k pi by n. Equation is x minus 1 is equal to x into cis 2k pi by n. From this equation we want to find the value of x. So for that, writing all the x terms at one side, that is x minus x into cis 2k pi by n is equals to 1. Just interchanging these two terms. We are writing this term to this side and this minus 1 to that side. I am taking x common here. X into 1 minus cis 2k pi by n is equals to 1. Therefore the value of x is equals to 1 by 1 minus cis 2k pi by n. But this is not in the simplified form. So first we take the simplification to this step. That is, this is equals to 1 by 1 minus cis 2k pi by n is nothing but cos 2k pi by n plus cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n, and this is equals to 1 by 1 minus cos 2k pi by n minus I sin 2k pi by n. Now we are applying some formulas here, which is equals to 1 by, this is 1 minus cos 2 theta form, and 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to formula 2 sin square theta. We apply this formula here. This is in the form of 1 minus cos 2 theta, where theta is equal to k pi by n. The answer is 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square, where theta is equals to k pi by n. 2 sin square theta minus I into, now this is in the form of sin 2 theta. And the formula for sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Applying that formula here, sin 2 theta, where theta is equals to k pi by n. 2 sin theta, 2 sin k pi by n into cos theta, cos k pi by n, and this is equals to 1 by, here 2 sin square k pi by n minus I into 2 sin k pi by n cos k pi by n, taking 2 sin k pi by n common from these two terms, that is 1 by 2 sin k pi by n into, the first remaining term is sin k pi by n minus I cos k pi by n. Now here the denominator contains the term which is in the form of a minus ib, which is a complex number. So to remove this complex number from the denominator, we take the rationalization. So we rationalize the denominator by the term sin k pi by n plus I cos k pi by n, that is sin k pi by n plus I cos k pi by n whole by 2 sin k pi by n into the denominator term is here sin k pi by n minus I cos k pi by n into, we are applying the term sin k pi by n plus I cos k pi by n, sin k pi by n plus I cos k pi by n, and this is equals to sin k pi by n plus I cos k pi by n whole by 2 sin k pi by n into, this is a plus b into a minus b form, which is a square minus b square, that is sin square k pi by n minus b square minus I square cos square k pi by n, that is plus cos square k pi by n. And this value is equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta form, that is equals to 1. Now this value is equals to 1. So the remaining value is sin k pi by n plus I cos k pi by n whole by 2 sin k pi by n. Now separating the denominator to both of the terms is equals to sin k pi by n by 2 sin k pi by n, which returns the answer 1 by 2 plus I into cos k pi by n by 2 sin k pi by n, that is I by 2 into I by 2, and the remaining value cos k pi by n by sin k pi by n, that is cot k pi by n. Therefore the value of x is equals to, taking 1 by 2 common here, 1 by 2 into 1 plus I cot k pi by n, where the values of k is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1. That's all. The cube roots of a unity are 1 omega omega square. Then find the roots of the equation x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 is equal to 0. So given that cube roots of unity is equal to 1 omega omega square, now we want to find the roots to this equation x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0. Now already we know that this formula, cube roots of a is equals to a power 1 by 3, a power 1 by 3 into omega, a power 1 by 3 into omega square. Now to find the roots of this equation, we use this formula. So first we are taking the given equation here. Given equation is x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 is equals to 0, which implies x minus 1 whole cube is equals to minus 8, that is x minus 1 is equals to minus 8 power 1 by 3, that is applying power 1 by 3 to this equation. Then we get x minus 1 is equal to minus 8 power 1 by 3. Already we know that cube roots of a is equals to a power 1 by 3, a power 1 by 3 omega, a power 1 by 3 omega square. But here we want the values of cube roots of 8, that is in the formula in place of a we take minus 8. So cube roots of a, cube roots of minus 8, we want the cube roots of minus 8, that is replacing minus 8 in the above formula, that is x minus 1 is equals to first value a power 1 by 3, that is minus 8 power 1 by 3. Next value minus 8 power 1 by 3 into omega, and next value minus 8 power 1 by 3 into omega square, which implies x minus 1 is equals to, this is nothing but minus 2 whole cube power 1 by 3, minus 2 whole cube, that is minus 8, and this is minus 2 whole cube power 1 by 3 into omega, and this is minus 2 power whole cube, minus 2 whole cube power 1 by 3 into omega square, which are equals to, the first value is minus 2 and the next value is minus 2 omega and the next value is minus 2 omega square, which are the values of x minus 1. But we want the value of x only. Find the roots of this equation. That means we want the value of x here. So adding 1 to this equation, then we get x is equals to minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 omega plus 1, minus 2 omega square plus 1. That is writing this minus 1 to that side. Just applying this minus 1 to all these terms. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 omega plus 1, minus 2 omega square plus 1. That is, this is equals to minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. Therefore, the roots are minus 1, 1 minus 2 omega and 1 minus 2 omega square. That's all. Find the product of all values of 1 plus I power 4 by 5. Find the product of all values of the expression 1 plus I power 5. So first we find all values of the given expression and then we take the product of all values. So given that 1 plus I whole power 4 by 5. In the next step, we are writing this value as 1 plus I whole power 4 whole power 1 by 5. And here the values of a comma b is equals to 1 comma 1. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. And the value of root over a square plus b square is equals to square root of 1 plus 1, that equals to root 2. So first we apply that value root 2 to this expression to change this expression in the form of cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore, this is equals to root 2 into applying that number here, root 2 into 1 plus I power 4 by root 2. Root 2 into 1 plus I by root 2 whole power 4 whole power 1 by 5. We are applying that number root 2 to this number 1 plus I, that is root 2 into 1 plus I by root 2 whole power 4 whole power 1 by 5. And this is equals to root 2 power 4 into 1 plus I by root 2 power 4 whole power 1 by 5. Root 2 power 4 1 plus I by root 2 power 4 whole power 1 by 5. Just separating the power 4 to these two times like that. And this is equals to, this is 2 power 1 by 2 power 4 into, this is 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2 whole power 4 whole power 1 by 5. This is 2 power 1 by 2 power 4 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. Separating the denominator to both of the terms. And this is, this cancelled by 2 times, 2 square, that is 4. 4 into 1 by root 2. In place of 1 by root 2, we take the value cos pi by 4 plus I into, in place of 1 by root 2, we take the value sin pi by 4 power 4 power 1 by 5. And this is equals to 4 into, here we apply the De Moivre's theorem to this statement, that is to this expression. Here we apply the De Moivre's theorem to this expression, that is cos n theta, cos 4 pi by 4 plus I sin 4 pi by 4 whole power 1 by 5. And this is equals to 4 into cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 5. And this is equals to 4 into cos pi plus I sin pi, which is nothing but cis pi power 1 by 5. Now separating the power here, 4 power 1 by 5 into cis pi power 1 by 5. Now finding the all values to this expression, 4 power 1 by 5 into all values formula, cis 2k pi plus theta, that is 2k pi plus pi whole pi n, where k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in place of n we have 5, n is equal to 5, and we take the k values up to n minus 1, that is up to 4, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here n is equals to 5, 2k pi plus pi by 5, and this is 4 power 1 by 5 into, here taking pi common, this is 2k plus 1 into pi by 5, where k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, all values of 1 plus I power 4 by 5 is equal to 4 power 1 by 5 into cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 5, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all values of the given expression. Now we are replacing k values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 1 by 1 in this answer. That is first value 4 power 1 by 5 into, first we take k is equal to 0. Then the answer is cis pi by 5. And the next value 4 power 1 by 5 into, taking k is equal to 1. Then it returns is 3 pi by 5. And the next value 4 power 1 by 5 into cis taking 2, that is 5 pi by 5. And the next value 4 power 1 by 5 into cis taking k is equal to 3, then 7 pi by 5. And the last value 4 power 1 by 5 into cis taking k is equal to 4, 9 pi by 5. Now these are all the values. Now what is the given question is find the product of all values. Means we want the product of all these values. So we are taking the product of the values here. So product is equals to first value 4 power 1 by 5 into cis pi by 5. Second value 4 power 1 by 5 into cis 3 pi by 5. Third value 4 power 1 by 5 into cis 5 pi by 5. Next value 4 power 1 by 5 into cis 7 pi by 5. last value 4 power 1 by 5 into cis 9 pi by 5, and this is equals to 4 power 1 by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 times the term 4 power 1 by 5, that is 4 power 1 by 5 whole power 5 into, now this is in the form of cis A into cis B into cis C into cis D into cis C. That is cis of A plus B plus C plus D plus E, which is equals to cis of pi by 5 plus 3 pi by 5 plus 5 pi by 5 plus 7 pi by 5 plus 9 pi by 5. We know that cis A into cis B is equal to cis of A plus B. Similarly, cis A into cis B into cis C into cis D into cis E is equal to cis of A plus B plus C plus D plus E. And this is equals to 4 into cis of, taking LCM, pi plus 3 pi plus 5 pi plus 7 pi plus 9 pi whole by 5. And this is equals to 4 cis of 25 pi by 5. That is 4 into cis of 5 pi. That is 4 into cos 5 pi plus I sin 5 pi. Cis theta, cos theta plus I sin theta. Cis 5 pi, cos 5 pi plus I sin 5 pi. Now this is 4 into cos 5 pi value minus 1 plus I into sin 5 pi value 0. So answer is equals to minus 4. That's all.